You started your holiday baking, but you need one more recipe. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks with Gingerbread Bundt Cake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Let's prepare the wet ingredients. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. Set your timer for 50 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's make the Bourbon Eggnog Glaze. Looks great right out of the oven. Let's get a slice on a plate. Let's have a bite. Oh, that's good. This cake has amazing gingerbread flavor, a moist, tender crumb, and the Bourbon Eggnog Glaze is a great addition. Thanks for posting your questions and/or comments below. Head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like it's gonna be a great holiday season. Stay with us. Watch another video.